Did you know that over 69% of adults in the US are now overweight or obese? This isn't just a personal issue, it's a massive public health crisis affecting millions. Why is this happening on such a large scale? Is it really all about diet and exercise, or is there more to the story? We'll dive into the surprising science behind why we get fat, exploring how our genes, environment, and even our body's own defenses play a critical role in weight gain. You won't believe what researchers have discovered about the genetic triggers that can make losing weight incredibly difficult for some people. Stay tuned as we uncover the real reasons you might be struggling with your weight. Your weight hinges on a delicate balance of calories you consume, store, and burn. Today, 69% of adults in the US are overweight or obese, a stark contrast to just a century ago when obesity was rare. This dramatic shift isn't just about lifestyle changes. Genetics play a significant role too. Researchers have identified specific genes that can predispose individuals to weight gain. For instance, some people may find it much harder to lose weight due to their genetic makeup. This interplay between our genes and environment shapes how efficiently we store or burn calories. Understanding these factors is crucial for tackling obesity effectively. Next, let's dive into how our bodies process different types of food and why some contribute more to weight gain than others. Both genes and environment play a significant role in obesity. Genetics accounts for about 40 to 70% of the variation. Consider this. A century ago, obesity was rare, but today, 69% of adults in the US are overweight or obese. This dramatic change points to both genetic predispositions and environmental factors at work. Researchers have identified specific genes that contribute to weight gain, making it clear that our bodies can be genetically predisposed to store more fat. However, environment also plays a crucial role. Our diets, physical activity levels, and even stress can influence how our genes express themselves. This interaction between genetics and environment makes obesity a complex issue. Understanding these factors is key to developing effective strategies for weight management. As we delve deeper into the science behind obesity, let's explore how lifestyle choices impact our health. Our bodies respond to diet and exercise in vastly different ways due to genetic variability. Consider this. A century ago, obesity was rare. Now, 69% of adults in the United States are overweight or obese. This dramatic shift isn't just about our environment, it's also deeply rooted in genetics. Researchers have found that some people carry specific genes that make them more prone to weight gain. For example, studies show wide inter-individual variability in how much weight individuals can lose through exercise and diet changes. These differences highlight why one-size-fits-all approaches often fail. Understanding these genetic factors is crucial for tailoring personalized strategies for maintaining a healthy weight. Next, let's explore how our bodies adapt to fight weight loss efforts. Experts have long known there is a genetic component to obesity, and recent research has identified one particular gene that may be behind it. This discovery sheds light on why some individuals are more prone to weight gain than others. Consider this. 69% of adults in the US are currently overweight or obese, highlighting just how widespread the issue is. Researchers have found a clear genetic trigger for obesity, which helps explain the variability in how people respond to diet and exercise. Understanding these genetic factors can help us tailor more effective strategies for managing weight. This knowledge could lead to personalized approaches that account for individual genetic predispositions. As we delve deeper into this topic, let's explore how our environment interacts with these genes to influence obesity rates. Epigenetic changes can play a significant role in obesity. Researchers have found that certain epigenetic marks correlate strongly with weight gain. For instance, studies show that people vary widely in how their bodies respond to physical exercises and diets due to genetic factors. This variability is further influenced by environmental conditions, leading to the current situation where 69% of adults in the US are overweight or obese. These changes can alter how our genes function without changing the DNA sequence itself. Consider a gene linked to obesity. If it's affected by an epigenetic mark, this could make weight loss much harder for some individuals compared to others. Understanding these mechanisms is crucial as we explore ways to combat obesity effectively. Next up, let's delve into how lifestyle choices interact with our genetic predispositions. Scientists have discovered that some genes can make it particularly challenging to lose weight, even when following a strict diet. For instance, research shows that people vary widely in how their bodies respond to exercise and dietary changes. This variability is partly due to genetic factors. In fact, experts have identified specific genes linked to obesity, which suggests a clear genetic trigger for some individuals struggling with weight loss. Consider this. While we know that weight management depends on the balance of calories consumed versus burned, genetics can significantly influence how efficiently your body processes and stores these calories. This means that even when you're eating right and exercising, certain genes might still make it harder to shed pounds. It's a complex interplay between our DNA and environmental factors like diet and activity levels. Understanding this genetic predisposition is crucial for tailoring more effective weight loss strategies. Next, we'll explore how your body fights back against efforts to lose weight, making the journey even tougher. The type of diet you follow can significantly impact how much energy your body expends. For instance, a study showed that people on high-protein diets tend to burn more calories through their daily activities compared to those on low-protein diets. This difference in energy expenditure can influence weight gain over time. Consider the fact that 69% of adults in the US are currently overweight or obese, a trend closely linked to dietary patterns and lifestyle changes. Genetics also plays a role, with some individuals predisposed to gaining weight more easily than others. Understanding these factors is crucial for tailoring effective diet plans. As we delve deeper into this topic, let's explore how exercise interacts with our diets to further influence weight management. Lifestyle choices like physical activity and dietary patterns play a crucial role in obesity rates. Consider this. 69% of adults in the US are currently overweight or obese, highlighting how our environment and habits have significantly changed over recent decades. Physical exercise can greatly influence weight management, but individual responses to diet and exercise vary widely due to genetics. A new study has even identified a specific gene that may trigger obesity. While some genes make it harder for certain individuals to lose weight, lifestyle changes remain the cornerstone of managing obesity. For instance, increasing physical activity by just 30 minutes daily can have substantial health benefits. Understanding how our bodies respond to these choices is key to combating obesity effectively. Next, we'll explore the role of epigenetics in this complex issue. Metabolism plays a significant role in weight gain. Individuals with slower metabolisms may store more calories as fat instead of burning them off efficiently. This can lead to weight gain over time. Consider this. 69% of adults in the US are currently overweight or obese, reflecting how environmental and genetic factors interact to influence our metabolism. Researchers have identified specific genes that contribute to obesity, showing that some people might be genetically predisposed to gaining weight more easily than others. For instance, a recent study found a clear genetic trigger linked to obesity, highlighting the complex interplay between genetics and lifestyle choices. Understanding these metabolic differences can help us tailor diet and exercise plans more effectively. Next, we'll explore how epigenetics further complicates this picture by influencing how our genes respond to environmental factors. Environmental factors play a critical role in obesity. Consider that 69% of adults in the US are currently overweight or obese. Access to healthy foods and opportunities for physical activity can greatly influence weight management. In areas where fresh produce is scarce and fast food restaurants abound, residents face higher risks of obesity. Take the example of food deserts, neighborhoods lacking access to affordable, nutritious food, which disproportionately affect low-income communities. These environments make it harder to maintain a healthy diet. Similarly, limited safe spaces for exercise can deter physical activity. The interplay between genes and environment is complex. While genetics may predispose some individuals to weight gain, our surroundings significantly shape lifestyle choices and habits. Understanding these factors helps us address obesity more comprehensively. The interaction between our genes and environment is a complex dance that influences whether we become overweight. A century ago, obesity was rare, but today, 69% of adults in the US are either overweight or obese. This dramatic shift isn't just about genes, it's also about how our surroundings affect us. Consider this. Experts have identified specific genes linked to weight gain and difficulty losing weight. For instance, a recent study pinpointed one gene that acts as a clear trigger for obesity. Understanding these genetic markers helps explain why some people struggle more than others, even when following the same diet or exercise regimen. This interplay between our DNA and daily habits reveals how nuanced the science of weight gain truly is. As we continue to unravel this mystery, it becomes clearer just how much our environment can shape our bodies. Next up, let's explore how lifestyle changes can influence these genetic predispositions. Understanding obesity requires us to look at both our genes and environment. A century ago, obesity was rare, but today, 69% of adults in the US are overweight or obese. This dramatic change is due to a complex interplay between genetics and environmental factors like diet and physical activity. Researchers have found that certain genes can make it harder for some people to lose weight, even with exercise and healthy eating habits. For instance, studies show significant variability in how individuals respond to the same diets and exercises. By understanding these genetic influences, we can tailor approaches to help manage obesity more effectively. Looking ahead, let's explore what this means for future strategies in combating obesity. Understanding why we get fat involves a complex interplay of genes and environment. Take the fact that 69% of adults in the US are overweight or obese today, compared to just a century ago when obesity was rare. This sudden change points to both genetic predispositions and environmental factors like diet and lifestyle. Scientists have identified specific genes linked to weight gain, but there's still much to uncover about how these genes interact with our surroundings. Research into exercise and diet-induced fat loss has shown significant individual variability in weight changes, highlighting the need for personalized approaches based on genetics. Further studies are needed to fully grasp the genetic and environmental influences on obesity. This understanding could revolutionize preventive measures and treatment options. As we continue exploring this field, expect breakthroughs that will shed more light on why some of us struggle with weight while others don't.